This time around, I'm reviewing the MRT Sport Touring Axleback exhaust for the 2022 Plus Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ.
Hiroshima spirit!
Sound clips first, and then driving impressions. It sounds just a little bit more than stock. It's really all you need. And if I had the radio on, I wouldn't know the difference. Let's pack on a little bit more speed here. 45 miles an hour, just going down the road. Honestly, the road noise is louder than the exhaust. The tires are louder than the exhaust when you're just going down the road. This is a very mild piece. If you don't want to go overboard, I highly recommend this one. You can't go wrong. Let's see, did I get it in the shot? Almost. So there you have it. I think the audio clips speak for themselves. This is really an OEM plus kind of situation with the MRT Sport Touring. This is for people who want a little bit more noise for it to be interesting, but they don't want to be antisocial to everyone else. They don't want it to be overly noisy in the cabin, and they don't want to spend a ton of money. You could get an HKS Legalis L-Spec kind of axleback similar to this, but it's double the money. And this piece is handmade right here in America. I mean, I know it doesn't matter. It's a Japanese car, but still, if you want to support a small company here in the United States, they're based out of Michigan. The quality is there. The fit and finish is a little iffy. I could probably mess with it a little bit more. As you can see here, the left-hand tip sticks out a little bit more, and that one is welded on, whereas the passenger side, that one is clamped on, and that's about as far out as I felt comfortable putting it without it, you know, being barely hanging on. I could maybe finagle with it a little bit more, but honestly, nobody's gonna notice. Only me, because I know it's there. It's funny, you can kind of see which side flows. The passenger side is getting burnt a little faster than the left-hand side. And this comes in two different finishes. You can get it with the polished tips, or I believe you can get it in black, but choose wisely because they're permanent, at least on the left-hand side. In my opinion, it complements the fake engine noise synthesizer in there. Controversial, but I think it sounds good in concert, the two together. But that's just me. Draw your own conclusions if you end up getting this exhaust for yourself. If you're on the fence about the MRT exhaust, or you're shopping and you don't know what you're looking for, maybe you want an axleback and you're not sure which one, I hope this video helps you make an informed decision. I hope the clips are good for you, and either way, I hope you're out there having fun with your 86 or BRZ. It's not on video, of course, but I just want to say, God bless empty corporate parks in Mexico. I posted a poll midweek asking if I should change the channel name, keep it, if you didn't care whatsoever, and it's looking like the channel is gonna stay Hiroshima Spirit going forward. Thank you for everyone for participating in that poll. I think midweek polls or questionnaires or just a midweek post might be a thing. Get down in the comments. Let me know if you'd want to participate in something like that. But that's it for me this time. Thank you all so much for watching, subscribing. Hi to all the new people. We're getting so close to 10K. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm doing it for you. Cars are meant to be driven and get dirty. Don't take it too seriously.